dog. And this is my dad leaving me to go have fun. So I'm going to be home by myself while my dad's out having fun with his friend. Bye, Dad. Go leave then. All by myself with this one and this one. Fine. Leave then. Bye. We'll have fun by ourselves. Yeah, whatever, right? Right, pups? Go leave then. They're leaving. Daddy's leaving me. Hey, Gidge. Hey, Sass. What do you want to do? Bye. Fine then. Come on, we're home enough. Let's go do. Come on, let's go get into some trouble. Let's go. Come on. Let's go into the house. What do you guys want to do first? Let's turn on the light. Can't see. Hi. Hi, dog. Hi, doggies. What should we do? I vote for sitting on the couch. Anyone? Anyone? Which light turns on? There's like 500 lights. Oh, I'm sitting on the couch. Come on, Jess. Hi. Gage, what are you doing? Alright, say bye to the camera. I'm finally gonna turn it off, Sassy. Bye-bye. Oh, look, my shoes, they look so big.